You're no hero, so don't act like it. And please don't treat me like I'm your sidekick. Cause I watch TV, I see how life is, and it's not easy. But still I'm right here, screaming I'm good, I'm good, I'm good, I'm good, yeah. My nigga, I'm good, I'm good, I'm good, I'm good.
Drama.
You're no hero, so don't act like it. And please don't treat me like I'm your sidekick. Cause I watch TV, I see how life is, and it's not easy. But still I'm right here, screaming I'm good, I'm good.
Wanna be all saints, trying hard to be someone else. All we want is please, giving no time to breathe. This is our identity. We can't help, we're gone. This is our identity.
Alright guys, it's Aaron's Adventures here. We're currently going down a hill, and I'm pretty sure I was recording, but on the way over here. Okay, so here's what happened. Okay, so we have these trails to get here. We have these trails that go through a construction site, and those construction workers don't like us riding where they work. So we try not to, we try to avoid them. So, we went over there to the construction site. We saw that they were working, so we decided to find another way to get here. And currently, we only have one way. So, we decide to ride on the road over here. So we're just chilling on the road for a little bit. I'm doing nothing wrong except for my dirt bike's not street legal. I mean, but I'm just pretend like I'm just a legal dirt bike on the road. So I'm just riding. Good thing I would have got hit if I wasn't in the right side of the lane. So good thing I was on the right side of the lane, to the very far part. Because there's 3 cars coming. They're in their lane, and what they're doing is they're I guess they were going too slow or something. But this truck with a trailer decides to pass. He's in the very back. He decides to pass the 2 cars in front of him, going out of a turn. So I'm just sitting there chilling with one hand on the bars. And then I see this truck try to pass these 2 cars. And when you pass a car, you're supposed to get in the whole other lane. And so he gets in the whole other lane, gets super close to me, almost hits me, passing those two cars. And I don't know what to do, so I just sit there. I try to get as close as I can to get off the road, but he almost hits me. And he's probably a nappy old man, real salty, doesn't like dirt bikers and four-wheelers. Speaking of old people like, why do they always put nuts in their fudge and brownies, bro? Like, honestly, I freaking love fudge and brownies. But like, when I got new boots, waterproof boots. So let's see. Holy crap, that went pretty freaking deep. But I love fudge and brownies. But I'm okay with it when there's nuts in there, but I prefer no nuts. So if you're an old person watching this, don't put nuts in your brownies unless your kids say so. And tell me if you like nuts in your brownies. Not like the D's nuts, but like, holy crap, dang, the water's high. But like the nuts where, the ones that you eat. I like it, but it's I like it, but I don't like it at the same time. I don't have a light anymore, so one of the wires came undone. I went so deep, I got water up to there on my pants. Gotta turn around now, boy. Hate turning around in rocks, don't you? What the freak? This man's... I didn't expect to go say hi to the interstate today. I wasn't planning on it. Climbing up mountains. Bro, what if like an 18-wheeler just like flew off the road? Woo! Hey David, you want me to throw this at a car? She's my cherry pie. Come on, go, bro. Bro. Oh, rocks and water? Are you serious? Really, David? We both know I don't like rocks. This hill looks a lot steeper than it looks from over there. So if I don't make it, guys, it's David's fault.